Hey, it's Andrew here, and today I'm reviewing this 8-inch nonstick frying pan. I'm going to be frying up two of my favorite foods and letting you know if this is really the best nonstick pan. Alright, so let's do this. Before I start, I want to share two of my favorite features, which is the deep sea blue here, nonstick coating, and also the stainless steel body, as it really stands out from a standard plain frying pan. Plus, it has the advantages of a nonstick and also allows for fast heat conduction here. Alright, so let's see how an egg stands up to it. I'm not even going to add any cooking oil, just simply drop the egg down in the pan. Now the pan also features an ergonomic handle that the description says stays cool. I will say that it got a little bit warm, however there's still no need for an oven mitt. Alright, as you can see, the egg just simply drops down into my plate, so I am super impressed with all the features in action. I also made a steak in here last night and it was cooked to perfection. This is the perfect and definitely, I think, in my opinion, the best nonstick pan that we own. A few final things I do want to say about it is that it is 8 inches, so as you can see here, it perfectly fits on our large burner. It is also dishwasher safe, and of course, definitely important to note, it is lead free. So, hope you enjoy using it as much as I do, and happy cooking.